hello there, it's great to be with you. Hello there to you. Hello there, songs, rhymes and dancing too. Hello there to you.
Hello, welcome to our rhyme time session. My name's Lynn.
My name's Jessica.
And my name's Georgia, and we're from the Strathpine Library.
Okay, welcome to this session. If you've never seen one of ours before, can I say
Be
you're in for a treat.
Be prepared.
We have a lot of fun with this and we hope that you do too. It's an important job that we do and that you do with your little ones. Their first 5 years are very, very important. That's when their early literacy skills are formed. And what you do with them in these early stages can set them up for life. That's why it's called First Five Forever.
And you can have a lot of fun doing it, as we will demonstrate.
Yeah. Songs, rhymes, dancing, reading, lots of reading every day. It can be so much fun, but it only takes 10 minutes. So let's get started.
Yes.
We start off with our traditional welcome. We say, we're at the library, we'd like to acknowledge the Turrbal people.
They're traditional custodians and thank them for sharing this land.
And we say,
Here is the land, here is the sky, here are my friends, and here am I.
Oh, that's a nice welcome. I like that one.
It is.
Yeah, it's really good. Okay, so a welcome song. If you've been to the library, you'll know this one very, very well. It's very easy. If not, you'll pick it up quickly and we'll go straight away. Are you ready?
Happy
We go.
birds.
Hi,
hello, and how are you? How are you? How are you? Hi, hello, and how are you? How are you today?
Oh, that's so hard to learn. You'll pick that up in no time.
Yes. Same with the next one.
Next one,
Tickle.
a bit of tickling. So we start with the
Tickles.
toes, the nose, the tummy where the watermelon goes. Arms go high to start with.
To say
So
hello.
this is something fun to do with your little one on your knee or on the floor. And let's go. 1, 2, 3.
A tickle for your toes, a tickle for your nose, a tickle for your tummy where the watermelon goes. Arms go high, arms go low, a great big hug to say hello.
Okay, that's an easy one too. Oh dear. Let's go sailing.
Who likes sailing?
Not me. I get very seasick, so I don't know how I'm
You
going to
better
go with
pop
this
some
one.
seasickness tablets
Hello,
before we
let's go over the deep blue sea.
okay, let's go.
We'll
guys.
start off on a sunny day. Are you ready? We go 1, 2, 3.
'Twas a sunny day when I went to play down by the sea.
I climbed aboard a pirate ship and the captain said to me, we're going this way, that way, forwards, backwards, up and down, over the deep blue sea. Oh,
How you doing?
I don't know yet. So, oh gosh, it's getting windy.
Oh,
It was a windy day when I went to play down by the sea. I climbed aboard a pirate ship and the captain said to me, we're going this way, that way, forwards, backwards, up and down, over the deep blue sea.
Oh my gosh. You're doing okay.
Oh gosh, it's starting to rain.
We're not done yet.
Oh gosh. It was a rainy day when I went to play down by the sea. I climbed aboard a pirate ship and the captain said to me, we're going this way, that way, forwards, backwards, up and down, over the deep blue sea.
Are you ready? Which way are we going?
We're going this way, that way, forwards, backwards, up and down, over the deep blue sea. Oh gosh!
Are we done?
Are we done?
Back on dry land.
Okay, I think we all deserve a nice quiet one now.
Nice quiet
Please,
one.
Nice
please.
Bit of rocking.
With some teddies.
No rolling, just rocking. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, we go. Everybody clap. Everybody sing. La 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 la. Bow to your partner.
And then you turn around. Yippee!
Hands in the air, rock-a-bye bear. Bear's now asleep. Shh, shh, shh. Bear's now asleep. Shh, shh, shh. That's an easy
Oh,
one.
it is. I
Shall
think
we do it again?
Yeah, I think so.
Let's go. You join in with us this time. Let's go.
Everybody clap.
Everybody sing. La 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 la. Bow to your partner.
And then you turn around.
Yippee!
Hands in the air, rock-a-bye bear.
Bear's now asleep. Shh, shh, shh. 'Bear's 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 now asleep. Shh, shh, shh. ' happened.
We've got to do our next one.
We do.
Oh, we're ready for our next one.
Yes.
Oh, where can we go this time? We've been out to sea. Let's not go there
No,
again.
hard pass.
But what's near the sea?
Maybe the jungle.
Maybe the jungle.
Ooh, let's go
Okay.
down in the jungle.
What can we do in the jungle?
Lots of stuff, but we might do the washing.
Okay. I know, I guess when you're there a while you start to smell.
But we might do it with a great big lion,
Ooh.
an elephant, and a snappy dog.
This doesn't
So
sound
you
too
ready
safe.
to
I was going to
go?
say that might not be very safe.
Let's go, we go.
Down in the jungle where nobody goes, there's a great big
lion.
Roar!
He's
Washing his clothes with a scrub here and a scrub there. That's the way he washes his clothes.
Let's dance
With a shoop, shoop, oogie boogie woogie with a shoop, shoop, oogie boogie woogie with a shoop, shoop, oogie boogie woogie. That's the way he washes his clothes.
Who's next?
The elephant.
Let's go. Down in the jungle where nobody goes, there's a great big elephant.
He's washing his clothes with a scrub here and a scrub there. That's the way he washes his clothes.
Let's dance
With a shoop, shoop, oogie boogie woogie with a shoop, shoop, oogie boogie woogie with a shoop, shoop, oogie boogie woogie. That's the way he washes his clothes.
Last one is the
Snapping.
let's go.
Down in the jungle where nobody goes,
There's
there's
a
a snappy crocodile. Washing his clothes with a scrub here and a scrub there. That's the way he washes his clothes.
Last dance
With a shoop, shoop, oogie boogie woogie with a shoop, shoop, oogie boogie woogie with a shoop, shoop, oogie boogie woogie. That's the way he washes his clothes.
Yay!
I think I might enjoy washing more if I danced.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
Well,
Will it
let's
make you
go
quicker?
boogies.
Yeah.
Well, that's a good one at home because you can substitute anywhere. You can go down in the ocean where nobody goes. There could be an octopus or a
I think it is
starfish.
washing done very quickly.
Scrub,
Wonder how
scrub,
good it is.
You can wring them out with one, wash them with the other.
Okay, so we're on the move again.
Oh, okay.
This time we're coming around the mountain.
Oh,
I wonder who might be coming around the mountain.
don't know.
Because
Lots of
she's
people.
coming around the mountain.
Okay.
Who likes to visit?
Maybe we'll find out at the end. So we're going to sing. We go 1, 2, 3.
She'll be coming round the mountain when she comes. Yee-haw! She'll be coming round the mountain when she comes. Yee-haw! She'll be coming round the mountain. She'll be coming round the mountain. She'll be coming round the mountain when she comes. Yee-haw! She'll be flying in a jet plane when she comes. She'll be flying in a jet plane when she comes. She'll be flying in a jet plane. She'll be flying in a jet plane. She'll be flying in a jet plane when she comes.
First class.
She'll be sitting in a limo when she comes. Hello. She'll be sitting in a limo when she comes. Hello. She'll be sitting in a limo. She'll be sitting in a limo. She'll be sitting in a limo when she comes. Hello. She'll be in the car with Grandad when she comes. She'll be in the car with Grandad when she comes. She'll be in the car with Grandad. She'll be in the car with Grandad. She'll be in the car with Grandad when she comes. She'll be.
Hang on a sec.
What?
Somebody's here. She's here!
Hi, Grandma!
Hey, that's who was coming.
She made it!
Grandma was coming.
She came a very long way.
She
You're
did.
very special.
Yes.
She was pretty keen to get to see the grandchildren, as we all would be.
Now our next song
Ooh,
is one that two little girls that visit us quite frequently in Branch really, really like.
yeah.
And it's about one little finger
Ah,
that likes to tap.
ah,
And it's really good for telling body parts.
oh,
Okay.
okay. So we're going to start that one
I think so.
with just one little finger. So you
One
ready?
little finger.
Let's go. 1, 2, 3.
One little finger, one little finger, one little finger, tap, tap, tap. Point your finger up, point your finger down, put it on your head. Head! One little finger, one little finger, one little finger, tap, tap, tap. Point your finger up, point your finger down, put it on your nose.
Nose.
One little finger, one little finger, one little finger, tap, tap, tap. Point your finger up, point your finger down, put it on your chin. Chin! One little finger, one little finger, one little finger, tap, tap, tap. Point your finger up, point your finger down, put it on your arm. Arm! One little finger, one little finger, one little finger, tap, tap, tap. Point your finger up, point your finger down, put it on your leg, leg. Put it on your arm, arm. Put it on your chin, chin. Put it on your nose, nose. Put it on your head, head. Now give yourself a clap. Yay! Good job, everyone.
I nearly said there's no arm in that. I refrained. This is another fun one.
It is another one I used to sing to my kids.
Yes, so it doesn't really make a lot of sense.
No.
It's one of those funny words like supercalifragilisticexpialidocious, but it's not. It's skidamarink.
It is, and we add in a bit of show tunes because I like them.
Get your singing lungs ready.
Yeah,
Let's have a go.
So let's start with skidamarink. Are you ready? Let's
Yes.
go. 1, 2, 3.
Skidamarinky-dinky-dink, skidamarinky-doo. I love you. Skidamarinky-dinky-dink, skidamarinky-doo. I love you. I love you in the morning and in the afternoon. I love you in the evening and underneath the moon. Oh baby, skidamarinky-dinky-dink, skidamarinky-doo. I love you. I really mean it. I love you. Good job. I think that's lovely.
As silly songs go, that one's higher.
Oh, dancing.
Yay! These two have got way too much energy, so we need to get that out right now. So we're going to do Mama's Little Baby and do some dancing. Are you ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 3.
Mama's little baby loves dancing, dancing. Mama's little baby loves turning round. Mama's little baby loves dancing, dancing. Mama's little baby loves to boogie down. Lean to the left, lean to the right. Hug that baby nice and tight. Lean to the left, lean to the right. Hug that baby nice and tight. Mama's little baby loves dancing, dancing. Mama's little baby loves turning round. Mama's little baby loves dancing, dancing. Mama's little baby loves to boogie down.
Yay! Hey, I survived another one.
I think we should do a nice slow one.
Oh, come on.
No, but your favourite though. Your favourite.
Twinkle Twinkle Little Star is my favourite.
Yes.
Mainly because I like jazz hands.
Yes, I like jazz hands too.
So we'll get started with our little fingers twinkling. Are you ready? We go 1, 2, 3 and we sing.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.
Do we go, I really mean it?
We could. You can do what you want with songs. Make them your own.
Okay, so like we said, lots of fun, bit of silliness, but it's all in a good cause. Early literacy skills, so important. Have fun with it. So we finish off with another tickle. Are you ready? We go a tickle
for your toes, a tickle for your nose, a tickle for your tummy where the watermelon goes. Arms go low, arms go high, a great big hug to say goodbye.
So that's a big hug from us to you.
Yep.
And we hope to see you in the library soon. If not, stay tuned for more rhyme times.
Yes, we look forward to
Online.
it.
We have so much fun.
We
So
do,
we're going
we
to sing
do.
goodbye. It's our last one for this session.
Mhm.
Are we ready? We go 1, 2, 3. We sing.
Goodbye, goodbye, we'll see you soon. See you soon, see you soon. Goodbye, goodbye, we'll see you soon. See you another day.
And I hope we do see you another
Do.
day. Take care,
See you
everybody.
soon.
Bye.
Bye-bye.